make sure you internalize the right feedback. So I was having a coaching session with a client, and one of the feedbacks that her team keeps giving her is you have to be tougher. Now, she is a project manager in a massive organization running 12 projects, and I just reminded her that, have you ever read in the project management book of knowledge that the best way to become a good project manager is to be tougher? Nowhere. So this is a culture thing. So people give her feedback for whatever reason based on their view of how they could become better at what they do, and they project it on her. So just be aware of people's feedback and people's opinion, especially if you're working in a corporate environment where culture really creates an osmosis. We have to come shoulder to shoulder with culture, and sometimes we have to filter what we internalize and what we act on. For quite some time, she really thought she had to change who she is. She doesn't. She can still be authentic, and the value she adds by remaining authentic in that environment, by creating a soundboard and listening to people's needs rather than being tougher and telling them what to do, is much more valuable for her career, but for the people within that culture as well. So just a little reminder to filter the feedback we get and not internalize cultural projections onto us.